Gumagawa ka po ng sariling invoice for the payment. Hi there, I'm Anthony, your web design and funnels expert and founder of Website Academy PH, helping beginners and businesses build websites that convert and freelance skills that pay off. Yes, I do send my own invoices to clients, but I keep it very simple actually. For most of my freelance projects, I use a basic online invoice generator, no complex accounting software, no fancy systems. Bakit? Because at the end of the day, clients just want a clear breakdown, professional-looking invoice, easy reference for payment. There are many tools you can use like yung mga invoice generators dyan, payment platforms with built-in invoices, accounting tools for growing businesses. But when you're starting out or if you're a seasoned freelancer, simple is enough. What matters most is that your name or business name, yung client details, service description, amount due, payment terms. You don't need an expensive tool to look professional. What you need is clarity and consistency. If you want more beginner-friendly freelancing systems, like and follow for more. See you in the next video.